Hi, what's up? We're walking through Shahaab Mobile Center. It's a small mall, specified to uh, mobiles and other similar technologies. And in the start of the video, I decided to go up the escalator for some reason. Just watch some shops and see what people are about. This is a colorful view. Cool. It's not that big of a place. It's like 30, 40 shops maybe. Some of them sell phones and mobile phones. Some sell accessories like cover and glass and stuff. One or two shops are related to SIM cards, and a few of them are for repairing phones or other stuff. And there are some. Let's focus on the iPhones first. Then I'll tell you about the upstairs, which are some offices. It's a 5-story building, I think. 2 of them are for these shops, and the other 3 are offices. This mall is on Kashani Street, which I also have a video on. You can watch it later. Climbing down this escalator, cool and breezy. People greeting. The security stands right in the middle like that. And then ring lights. Cool stuff. Yeah, and that's all for now. Goodbye.